Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be speaking about how I met my husband. Okay, it was back in Franklin days. I was in Franklin. My husband were in Franklin for different batches, and we never met. Never, as in never met. But back in 2013, if I'm not wrong, yes, we had some project named Udan, uh, due to which we had been given different centers for some project. We had to go there, take surveys and all. So I had got Dadar, but then my friends, my best friend like Mosina and Aki, were given Viral. So I thought, let's do this. I will also go Viral with them. I will skip mine. So I went with her, and then we were doing all the project, exploring, and suddenly it was lunchtime, and then we had food at some Chinese center near Viva College. We were at Viva College, of course. So there, you would not believe I was very tired, and I had some argument with my best friend. So I was very sad, and when I'm sad, I need to be alone. So I went, roadside. I took a newspaper. I sat there, and I was sitting. I was like, now I'll not do the project. All of a sudden, there was this guy. He just passed by, and he came. He saw me. He sat beside me. I don't know him. I don't know his name. I have never seen him before. He's like, let me show you some magic. I was like, okay, that sounds interesting. So that's how he came. He showed me magic, and then he made me smile, and he just went. He crossed the road and he went. Then one of my friend named Shreya, she told me, be careful of this boy. He's a big flirt. So I was like, okay. But then he made me happy at that time. So that was my husband. Okay. And he went, after which we never spoke. But then in 2014, I got selected as a cabin attendant with Indigo. So I, of course, downloaded some Skype and all. So he got me on Skype. Hi, hello, chalta tha. But the moment he used to flirt, I used to block him. I was like, I am not that person who will flirt and all. So nice talks, I used to chat with him. But then many times it happened. I used to block him, and then I used to not feel good. So then later we started talking. He was dating some girl named, I'll not name her. He was very serious about her, but at the same time, he used to flirt with me and many other girls. And I was like, यार बात कर रहा है ठीक है, but ज़्यादा बातें बढ़ जाएगी. I used to tell him, please go speak to my parents. That time my dad was also alive. So in 2006, ये चलता रहता था on off. 2016 he texted me saying I'm not well, I had some spondylitis, कुछ तो हुआ था उसको. I was like, try Ayurvedic treatment, because my dad was into Ayurvedic hospital. So he said, okay, ठीक है. So I met him, I took an appointment, I met him, but that was his luck that the doctor had some emergency, he did not come. So he just came, he said hi, we met, we sat there, doctor was not there, so he had to go. So now he had to go. He had come down from Dubai, because he was working in Air Arabia at that time. He came, he said bye, he gave me a side kiss, and he went. And that was very first experience of mine, someone getting close to me. And I was happy about it. Why do I was very happy, because somewhere or the other I liked him. He went, he was hiding something. I was like, I'll drop you. Where do you want to go? So he was hiding. So basically, he did not wanted me to know that he stays in that area, wherever he stays. He did not wanted me to come to know that his house is small, whatever reason it is. Yeah, in slums and all. So that's the reason he did not tell me. It was fine. So after which, I I was on and off on my different jobs. By 2016, I had joined Jet Airways, and after that, I was with Air India and many more. But then, for 6 months contract, I was in Muscat. That is the time when I never spoke to him. बीच में on and off चलता रहता था, but then he used to speak. He used to make me do video calls with his mom. He's like, I'm very serious about you, this, that. But at the same time, he was dating the other girl. Okay. So what happened is my father expired in 2018 March. I was very lost. I was in Muscat. I somehow managed to get the tickets and all, and I had to come down. So I don't know what got me in my mind. He was the first person I called. Started, I was like, this happened, and he's like, don't worry, everything will be fine. According to my knowledge, he had accepted Islam in 2016 due to his own faith. For people who think that he got reverted because of me, no, that's a myth. He got reverted. He accepted Islam for his own faith. Because I'm not a person who follows Islam so perfectly that he'll get influenced by me. So I came down, Daddy ka sab clear hua. And that moment, I was seeing one of my cousins. हमारे में cousins ठीक है. So, we were good friends also, but then I had plans to get married to him, but then I was so stressed that I was done. And that moment for me, back of the mind, I was like, I don't want to be burden on my family because we have 4 brothers and sisters, and then mom कैसे घर संभालेगी because daddy was the whole and soul of the house. So I told my mom, Mama, get me married. At the same time, his mom came to meet my mom and all things happened. I was not there around. And they said, let's get these kids married. I was like, okay, kisi se bhi karna hai. And I like this boy. Why not him? So we got engaged in June 2018. Just after 3 months of my dad passing away. ये 3 महीने तक ये सब gossip चलती थी. And I don't know what happened. We were not planning the date very soon, but then it just happened. He's like, let's get married. मुझे नहीं पता था reason. So we got married, and the day of marriage, it was raining so badly that no guest could attend our marriage. Things were not happening the way it should have. After marriage, there is the whole trick to this. After marriage, I came to know he's lost his job. This is the reason why we got married very early. That's what I feel. I can be wrong also. And he had left Dubai and he came here due to some scam there, which I'll not mention in this video. He came down here. After marriage, I came to know that the Virar house was on loan. Okay, I was fine. ये earn कर लेगा, ठीक हो जाएगा. But things didn't turn out the way it should have been. Then my mom helped me because my dad was a government worker. So I never knew that government employee जब expire हो जाता है बहुत बड़ा amount होता है. This was not in my head. So, my mom used to support me financially very much, very, not in thousand, in lakhs. But then वो आदत पढ़ते पढ़ते ऐसी आदत पड़ गई कि I used to feel very bad, as told in my prior videos also. मुझे guilt आने लग गई. Then I stopped. But then Virar house I tried to save till my second child, but then after which I had given up because I had to take care of the expense of the whole house. I cannot just pay EMI that's just 40,000, 43,000 and do nothing for the kids because kids are growing. I told Mac, I'm stopping this. And neither my mother will help because ये झगड़ा की वजह से neither my family felt कि अब और help करना चाहिए because he was never appreciating anything. So everyone else stopped. So this is how I met my husband. But that moment, I can really tell you, that's the same place where he bought his house, first house. That's the same place where I used to take my daughter for shopping. Like, honestly speaking, that's the same place where my son was born. Like nearly 2-3 minutes from that college. I don't believe the world is so small that that place, I Virar, is a place I would have never been. But then just जिसको मिलना होता है मिल जाता है. So many times me and my husband used to discuss, you know what, we used to show our daughter that Zaina, this is where I met your daddy. He used to also say your mother was sitting on the roads. So it was a best love story. It was best. No words for it. But I don't know what changed. Or was it all pre planned? It's this all present has put me in such a big question mark. In fact, the legal guidance, what I'm getting, they have also told that this all has been done just because that person was well aware that your father was going to get a big amount after himself. So I don't know what's the truth. But then I just don't want my थोड़ा थोड़ा ट्रस्ट जो बाकी है मुझे मेरे हस्बैंड पे टूटने के लिए, आई डोंट वांट दैट टू ब्रेक इज बिकॉज you know my fancy bubble is still alive, so I don't want it to break. That's all from my side for today. I thought let me share. पता है बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं बताने के लिए बट मुझे नहीं पता मैं कौन सी बताऊँ. सो इफ़ यू ऑल कैन हेल्प मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, टेल मी व्हाट डू यू वांट टू नो, सो आई टेल यू ऑल अकॉर्डिंगली बिकॉज आई हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स that I'm so confused. What do I tell first? What do I second? But at the same time, I need to keep in mind I don't hurt him. I don't want to be brutal. I don't want to use brutal words. It's because I cannot insult anyone. जो भी सच है मेरे तक के मैं अच्छे वर्ड्स में भी बता सकती हूँ. दिस इज़ वाई आई हैव बीन टेलिंग एवरीथिंग इन गुड वेज. For the fact my story is my story, these are for my kids so that later they know what happened with their mother, just in case someday I don't stay, yeah, God wants me up, so they should know what had actually happened with their mother. That's it. Bye. Bye and see this lovely view. There's no one. This is why I came here to make some video.